Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at just a stunning 1970 Plymouth Cuda. Very rare car, guys, because of the factory options. This is a factory FE5 Rallye red car with factory red interior. It is also a correct N96 Shaker Hood car, and it also came with the factory, elastomeric rubberized front bumper. Great car. It is an original BS23 Cuda, rotisserie restored, and I love the color combination. Car's out of North Carolina. It's also a factory 340 car. It does not have the matching numbers engine, but it has a date code correct 340 in it. Beautiful car, rotisserie done. It's red on the bottom like it is on the top, and really just a gorgeous car. I love the white top. Always been a sucker for red on red. Love that color combo. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the Rallye wheels. And like I say, a very rare N96 Shaker Hood package. Just a cool car. The grill's in great shape. Again, this is a rare, the elastomeric bumper. You can see it's got a couple little cracks in it, but very nice. Factory FE5 Rallye red. Pretty car. Not an easy car to get your hands on, guys. I love that red on red. Vinyl top's in excellent shape. It's got the go wing on it. Really pretty car. Laser straight down the sides. Again, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the Rallies. That is a nice car. You can see the wheel wells are red. It's got the front disc brakes. Again, you can see the car's all body color and the wheel wells. Again, factory 340 car. This is not a matching numbers engine, but it is a date code correct 340. 4-barrel stock intake, an exhaust manifolds. It's got power steering, power front disc brakes. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. .727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Now I'm going to show you this. This is actually a repop fender tag, but we have the original one in the trunk. He had another one remade because the other one's got a little crack at the top of it. Car is also in the Cuda registry, where they actually break this car down to the. They say this is the only one with this that they've ever seen with the options that this car has on it. And you can see how nice this car is, man. Just a beautiful car. That windshield's nice. I mean, this is just a great car. It's got the remote driver's mirror. Little scratches there in the top of that trim. Door handles look original. Car's only got 72,000 original miles on it. I love the red with red. Bucket seats, console. See, it's got the stock steering wheel still. It's got the factory Rallye dash, 72,572 on the odometer. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. A little console's a little wood grain there. It's got a little warp to it. Dual exhaust, stock 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear end. Factory jack with the spare. He's had this nice little show board made up. This is the Cuda registry. There's your original fender tag. You can see it's a little broken up there in the top corner of it. It's all body color in here in the trunk like it's supposed to be. We put new quarters on it. Did a nice job. Great car, man. Beautiful car. Crawl underneath this thing and look how nice that car is underneath. Even got the little OK inspection mark like they would have done out of the factory. Beautiful car. That column is really nice. Just a beautiful car, man. Great car. Yeah, it's got a little warp to that console. I don't know if that can be adjusted, but they all got something, guys. You can always find something. Pretty much stock 340. That's a good looking car, man. Tach does work. Looks like all your gauges in here are working. That's a great car, man. Radio works, blower motor. Yep, does work, guys. Wipers work. See the little, Jake can get them shut off. Gotta love old cars. Headlights. It's got the marker lights. There it goes. It's good. Good. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that is a gorgeous car. Yeah, if you're looking for a nice Cuda, that car will not last long here. I can tell you that right now. That's just a gorgeous car. These cars are so hard to get. You know, everybody wants them, and you know, Chrysler just didn't build them. They just didn't build a lot of these cars. Have a great day, guys.